Now that you have all of your value scales completed, you are ready to put your knowledge to practice. Your goal is to make your circle look more like a three-dimensional sphere by adding 5 different values that range from light to dark. The light area on the sphere faces the light source, and the darkest area would then be in the shadow. My completed examples are at the front of the room to use as a reference. You have chosen to use charcoal on your final drawing, therefore you will practice using this material. As you have been watching, I have been starting to add value. I prefer to work light to dark because it is very easy to make a value darker, but it can be very challenging to make a value lighter, especially with charcoal. They are very dark to begin with, so the extra challenge here is making sure that you start light enough. Now, as I add value, I am thinking about neatness, trying to stay inside the lines as best I can and filling in the space as much as possible. As I started, I did start with one of the 2B charcoal pencils, and as I work, then I have to eventually probably switch over to the 4B or possibly even the 6B to get those darker values. Your goal, and you'll know when you're done, when you can find 5 different values that range from light to dark within your sphere. The last step that you will do when working with charcoal is to take a Q-tip, like you saw at the beginning, and blend. Now the blending is going to kind of push the charcoal around, and again I still like to work light to dark, trying to kind of fill in those white spaces to make the sphere look a little bit more rounded. This will also help make a charcoal drawing look a little bit more done.